Okay, welcome back. In this next lecture, we're just going to give a quick overview of Application Express. I'm logged into my local version. If you are logged into the apex.oracle.com version, should look the same. So we can sign in here and it should be about the same. Let's go ahead and check that out. Oh, didn't like that password. Okay, so this is what it looks like from apex.oracle.com. And this is what it looks like on my local version. I'm going to sign in with that workspace password. And you could see looks exactly the same. So no problem there. There are a few limitations on this apex.oracle.com, namely some of the file uploading, some of that's different. But anyway, where we run into differences, I'll go ahead and just let you know. Okay, for now I'm just going to be logged in locally, but it shouldn't matter. Now let me give you a quick overview of Application Express. When you first log in, you can click here at the top left to get to basically this front page. You could see the version down here, 5.0. So we're running 5. Now it's split up into 4 different sections. You have the application builder, and there's a submenu here. Or if you click on there, you should see those same actions that are available there. What I mean by that is if I click here, see these menu options? Well, now I see them here. So I can create, I can import, I can export. Some of them are just in different locations. Application builders where you build applications. SQL Workshop, since this is a database-driven framework, namely everything's inside of a database, we have a section dedicated to manipulating the database. So we have an object browser, which allows us to kind of create objects. We can run scripts and things like that. There's even RESTful services configuration. Now, if you go to team development is the third section, and that's related to running and collaborating with other developers inside of this workspace. Now, what does that mean? Well, since this is a web-based development tool, by the way, everything we're going to be doing is through this web interface, which is nice. So your developers don't have to install anything new. They don't have to install any other applications. It's all just here where everybody's running the same development environment. So that's great. All they need is a modern browser. Anyway, what I mean to say about this is that you can manage all of your features, your milestones, any tasks or bug tracking that you want to do, everything related to development of your web applications, the applications that you're going to be building with Application Express. This is where you can manage all of that. So it's like a development environment for managing all of the meta data around your development. Now, packaged apps is a special little area where you can kind of view a gallery of sample applications. You can click on them, install them, and from here, and so you could see, get a good feel of what does an Application Express application look like. So that's a high-level overview of Application Express. Now we're going to kind of do a dive into each of these areas and kind of talk a little bit more about each of the different sections.